It is a beautiful day out here today. We're gonna go to Coach, y'all. I want to check out and see what they have in new arrivals. If we got anything, we might not. It might be the same thing, but one thing I definitely want to check for sure is the clearance items to see what we're working with when it comes to clearance at Coach. Oh, I did not see this one in black. This Terry is beaded, y'all. I done had enough of beaded bags today. Because let me tell you. Hey, how are you? Let me tell you. The beaded bags that came out with Wednesday was 100% crazy. But I didn't know they had a trench coat this color. What? Extra large too? Oh, this is, oh, it doesn't button. That's what I don't like. That looks like a robe more than an actual coat. I need me a coat too. It's crazy. I did not see a hobo bag this big, I don't think. This one's cute too. These are $239, y'all. Which, that's a little high. But let me tell you, one thing that I do like though about the signature. Y'all see the two different C sizes? There's one, and here's the other one. I love, 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 love that too. Love both of those. But y'all, I really don't see anything new lately. I never saw this one. I don't see anything new, but I do want to check out clearance to see if there's anything in clearance. Oh, I've never seen this before. Oh yes, I have. You know what? I thought this looked glittery when I was far away. Y'all see that look weird? Definitely sparkly. It's heavy as heck because of that spider. Because of this, that's heavy, y'all. Super heavy. But let's go back and see what they have when it comes to... they got the bleaker in here, but that's not a outlet bag. That's a retail bag. I want to go to clearance to see what they have, so let's check it out. Okay, pretty much the same as the others. They do have the carpet back here though, which is shocking. That's crazy. I'll make sure I tag this though, so you can get you a good deal. Now they got some nice color wallets that are more conventional that make sense, but they hard as heck. You know what? I wonder when it comes to wallets, can you get a better deal at like Michael's? Not Michael's, Michael Kors. Why did I just say that? I don't know. But one thing I definitely like is a belt bag. I have one on right now. Mine is mesh though. But I've never seen one this color or this large. Nice. Let's open it up. It's green canvas on the inside too. That's what's up. With a little pouch on the front. I don't think your phone can fit in it though. The one I currently have, my phone can fit in it, and that's what I need. I definitely need space. This is $325. Well, hold on. This backpack, I guess, to see. That's awesome. This one is $6.95, so 70% off of that plus 25% off. Wait, what? Yeah, I'm getting so sick of this because it's like I'm about to end up buying something else. Let me see how much this is, y'all. So it's, what I say, $6.95. So what are they saying? It's 70 plus 25, so is it 95% off? Is that what they're saying? Times 95%. That's a lie. That's a lie. They're trying to say this, that's not true. Sir. Hold on, y'all. Let me come back to you in just a second. I gotta ask about. Okay, so that bag right here. Y'all, 156. 157, that's not bad for that. And let me tell you, you gotta do a lot to get it open, but hold on. Drawstrings, canvas on the inside. This goes all the way through to the bottom, and it's like a compartment. Oh, that's what's up. This is a nice bag though, for real. Like, I'm loving it. Let me put it back together though for y'all. But yeah, you see what's on clearance, and I definitely want to see what ones that they have as well. But yes, y'all, that is dope. So this one then would be, because that one was $6.95, so this is gonna be a little bit cheaper. I don't really like this camouflage color. I like green, olive green would be dope. But yeah, that's crazy that that's 70 plus 25% off. That's 100% crazy. They're trying to say this is $78. Oh look, they got it in this color too. I wonder, is it like that online? Then I'm gonna have to be doing all these calculations, huh? If I would just check online, it would literally be that simple. But y'all, yeah, that's a good deal though. 70% plus another. What bag do y'all see that I'm looking at that y'all think y'all would be interested in? Y'all see this one right here is suede. This is cute to me. It is suede, and it is a sable. That's cute. A sable. This is a X body, a fin. I like the sable better, but those are dope. So let me go online to Coach.com. Coach.com, and look at the outlet. I'll be right back, y'all. Y'all, the Olive Carmen is $78, like I said. Look. Oh, it ain't gonna get bigger for me. Oh well. But yeah, so it's all online. It's showing you, look, $78 in cart with extra 25% off. So they definitely not lying. Man, that's crazy. I'll make sure I tag that for y'all for sure. But oh, I wish it was more back there that was an extra 25% off. Some of these have an extra 25% off too, and this is what caught my eye. Now I know I've seen these before, but this is a bag that I like. And let me tell you one other thing that I like about it. It's that I love that, y'all. It almost reminds me of that, it starts with an E. I forgot what the other bags are, but we'll see in here shortly. But I like this one out of all of them, the clear. I love that clear. And then, oh wait, they got a clear envelope just like this. It's huge too. Y'all see that? That's big. Yeah. Are they saying that these is $119? Okay, so the outlet trying to do a little something, because one thing I did not like was it was looking like their prices was going up, but they definitely still reasonably priced on a lot of things. So I'm happy about that. A lot of these, I don't see this at my outlet that's in my city in Tampa, at the premium outlet mall. I'm at Ellington's outlet mall, and I'm digging what I'm seeing. I'm digging what they're putting down. Look at that. Cute, right? I do not know if these are things that I have shown you before. I do not remember them, especially in colors like this. Those are really cute. And what is it called? Hold on, let me see. This is the clear envelope, but I thought this was the clear envelope. This is the clear WLLT chain wallet, clear wallet chain. Okay, cool. So that's the difference. And this is just a clear. Oh, I like the envelope better, y'all. What you think? Envelope or regular clear? Of course you want the larger one. And even larger than that. Yes, 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 yes. I love it. I'm gonna have to check those out online just to see what's the best bet, because I do like those. Now, one other one that I love, here's some trench coats that are nice. Oh, is this about to fall over on me? It act like it was. I like their trench coats. They're short though. Oh, look at the chocolate one. Now, one thing I'm gonna have to do is drop a couple pounds before I even try it. That's an extra small. I like this one the best. Look at that. Oh, I love this one the best. But I'm telling you right now, it is not for winter. It's not for them cold days, especially if you're in a like snowy climate. But these are the ones that I love too. I love the mollies, and I love it because of this shape at the top. That, and then the inside. It's the only thing about this one is I like them large. I like the real large ones. And those are at the bottom, but I don't see them. Now this is one that I never can find online for y'all. I only find them on like Poshmark and stuff like that. I can never find this one online. And I don't know why not, but I love this bag. It is so, so cute. Look, okay, here's the tag. Let me see. It is the Signature LTH MGG Tote. I don't know why I can't find it online for you ever though. So I hate to tell you that I'm gonna get it to you online and then not be able to tag it. But y'all, I love when it's embossed like that. That is so, so cute. Now this is not the this is the Maggie. This is not the Molly. But I do like the Molly and the Maggie. I like the Maggie with the suede though. This crocodile embossed. Yes, the croc Maggie. Love it. Look how, you'll see how it is and then how it looks like it's, I don't know. It looks varnished a little bit. It has the feet at the bottom too. I love that. They have it in a smaller size too. See this size? It's much smaller. It's cute though. Yep. And these are also Maggies, but again, I'm not into the Maggie as much as I'm into the Molly. I love the Molly. I need the Molly to be like this in a larger size. That would be dope. Not saying that I would get it, but I just like it better. Or in suede would be dope too. But guys, yeah, I know I always see the Smith tote. Not really into that much at all. But yes. I'm just going to look at the rowing. Everything else is pretty much the same. I definitely see the Hadleys. But we always run into those. Where are the Romans? It's crazy. These are $199 with the extra 25% off also. Dope, right? Wait, these are $39. Oh, these are wristlets. They're wristlets. I can't put them. You know, I can't put cards there. That's cool. This one I was saying, where are the Rowans? Here they go. The buckets. And here's another little wristlet. It just doesn't have the card part at all for $39. That's cool. But yeah, they got the same things. However, you get 25% off of all the Rowans, it looks like. And the one that I always like is this one, but just really large. So this one is, I'm assuming this is the one that's $199. No, this is the one I like, the huge one. This huge one is amazing, y'all. $229 plus 25% off. So make sure y'all check the link. Check the link. Check the link. So I don't want you to miss out on nothing. Alright, guys. Here goes more ones. These are tiny ones. Look, this one, the braided mini, is also 25% off as well. Dope, right? Now y'all just make sure y'all look at my old videos and make sure that they were not 25% more in the first place. That would be crazy. Now y'all, I have never seen this in person. I've never shown this to you. It's $3.50 for this, but I did want to look at this bag. I want to see how it looks on the inside. Please don't be canvas. I've never seen this one before. Okay, it is canvas. It's canvas, but it's a cute color. I love that. Yeah, I've never seen this bag. I've only shown you guys those Chanel bags, the pebbled leather one, the smooth leather ones, and the different colors. Merlot and what is that one? What color is this? This is the Ella. It doesn't tell me the color, but yeah. Oh wait. Maroon. Yeah. Maroon, and then this one is espresso. Is that brown? No, that one's brown. Oh no, they are brown. Oh child. Colorblind. But I love this one. That's cute. You know, seeing it in person is a little bit different. I'm gonna be honest with you. I thought these were way smaller than what I saw online. But it's not. It's huge. This reminds me of a purse that my mom used to carry that was black though. A long time ago. $3.30 for the regular color ones, but for the one that has the Chanel fabric, it's gonna be $3.50 and then $3.29 for these, which is cool too. But yeah, I don't know which one I like the best. I don't know whether I like these the best or these the best. You guys let me know in the comments which ones you are feeling, but I'll be honest with you, there's not much new right now. I'm just glad that I came because I did get to see the bags that I never saw before, and I'm happy about that. But guys, I thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.